Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover a disabled Facebook account when Facebook has disabled your account by mistake. So what you have to do, for example, this is my account, and if I want to log into it, so I have to confirm it. So now you can see my account has been disabled. So what I have to do, I have to go to simply on your Gmail, and from here you can compose an email to Facebook recovery team. So uh, the recovery team name is okay, disabled. So I have already write an application to Facebook recovery team. This is the email Gmail ID. You have to put that, and you have to write a subject to them like my Facebook account has been disabled, so please and you can compose a lot of information right here, like how your account was disabled. So you can put a small description right here and attach some file from here, like your CNIC, your education detail, and might be credit card, debit card, etc. So attach these things with this email and then send them, and they will respond you in a few minutes that we will review your information that you have provided, and if they think that you can recover your account, they will enable your account. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.